What's going on? Just got some of the smaller lights on, so I'm gonna do a real quick unboxing. First off, this came delivered today from Amazon, the one and only Amazon. It's Prime shipping, so it wrapped pretty quick. Got these. So they're just cheap generic light holders that fit on tripods or lighting tripod stands, which has not arrived. I was gonna get it off a guy on Facebook Marketplace, but he was like 2 hours away. It wasn't worth it, so I just went ahead and bought them online. LimoStudio 2-piece photography umbrella holder or light holder. Cool. Packed well. Don't got my knife on me, so when I got the knife, work smart, not hard. Okay. Some tough plastic. Here we go. And voila, more plastic. Noise alert. This is pretty much what it is. E27 socket. Has little thumb screws, clamps. Reviews are mixed. Little rally inside. It's not good. All right, bring it back. All right, and second thing up was I got this off a Facebook Marketplace, local to me, folded cheap, or it was inexpensive. Just got an umbrella. Black on the outside, silver on the inside. He had white, but I opted for the silver lining one. All right, so now you are on that light holder, and it's using the umbrella as a reflector. It's pretty bright, not bad. The inside was kind of weird looking. The guy said it was new, not used, but it's all right. It does a job, and it was about $20 cheaper than if I bought it new, so works out. So I also got a new rear light stand coming in from Amazon. It's supposed to come on Saturday, which is tomorrow, but this morning they sent me an email saying it would arrive early today, so it might arrive by 10 o'clock. It's only 8 o'clock right now, so once we get that, we'll have our 3-point lighting setup pretty much complete for the most part. It's just a mishmash of things, but still 3 points light. So I never figured out what the rattling noise was inside of that light holder, but it works. It powers on, powers off. It's not smoking. It's not on fire. Just hopefully it lasts. I'll put a link in the description. All right, so I figured out what that rattling noise inside this thing was. So one of the nuts behind one of these screws, I forget which one, came off, which was rattling inside the case. So I took the screws off the case, split it apart, put the nut back on, and tightened the screw now. No more rattling. So that's mystery solved.